Hello everyone, today I am going to show you my TigerXClasses project, which is a student management system. And before this I made a prototype of student management system. You can find it on my channel. So here is, you can say, refined version or production version. So let's get a quick overview about this one. So let's sign up, and you can see here we have the sign up form. Now let's create a simple any user. So for now I'm taking Alex as the name. You can do whatever you want. Then we have the date of birth. Let's pick today's as a date of recording, and then we can see set the various details, demo credentials. Then we can have some random mobile number as well, and then we can have some name like Alex Institute or Center or whatever you want. Then we can have username and password. Okay, so here you can see this both are working fine. Copy, sign up, and see, and we have created the user. So now we can log in. So let's do Alex and then the password. Here you can see we are logged in successfully. After login we came to the dashboard, and as you can see we have nothing, so there is no data to display. So first we have this course and batch we need to create, and we also have student section. So let's go with batch. You can add about batch, and you can display, delete, and everything about batches. So let's add the batch quickly. So for now I'm just adding batch A, but you can name it as anything you want. And for now let's go with this, and then we have some unique name. So let's say WW001 or anything. I can't for now I can't just remember anything useful, so let's pick anything and simply add the batch, and it will get added. And now you can see here after some time it will take to refresh, and you can see batch is created, and you can create more and more and more, and you can edit the batch as well, like edited update, and it will get updated as well. As you can see we also have delete button, and you can delete if you want. Then similarly we can add courses. So let's add the course. For example, we will add web development. Then we can have institute name if Alex Institute has some collaboration with another institute or university, etc. stuff. So here that name can be written. So for now I am just doing Alex Institute, and then we will have some code as well. So let's do something like this one, 001. Then we will have some timeline. So let's 6 months, and in rupees we need to add some pricing. So let's add 20,000. Add course, and similar to the batch everything is same, and you will see course. We can add more courses, edit this course, delete this course, similar, right? Now let's add the student. Let's go to the student. See, there are no students, but let's add one quickly, and here you can see there are more detail about the student, so you can fill. So let's add a random name like Alok, and let's add date of birth. So let's pick today's date of birth. Then we have gender, then we have category, then we have some mobile number which should be unique as well. Let me add something. Then we have some email if you want. If you don't want, as you can see there is no star, and there is star. Then we have address if you want, if you don't want, but this thing is important, so let me fill this out quickly. Then here you can see the institute type. If they are in student is in some class or doing something, so you can select it. For by default it is none. Then remarks is like narration. For this is student if we want to add something else. And then we have cancel to cancel and not actually create the student, but let's submit it, and it will take some time, and we will have the new student profile, and we will be get redirected to it. As you can see we have here profile picture placeholder. You can edit the student similar to the creation, as you can see. Also we have delete as well, various other details, as you can see, nicely formatted. And now let's talk about this profile. You can click and add profile picture, so this cat picture. So let me add it, and as you can see it will get uploaded, and we will get the new student image. After a while it loads, as you can see. So like this you can add the image as well. Then we have downside documents and enrolled courses. We have document which is form based. You can manually add the credentials, and then we can add the document, and we have document type, as you can see, secondary, high secondary, and so on so forth. As you can see you can fill the required details, and here is the other for any other document which are not mentioned here. And similar to this, let me add quickly some random number, and now just add. So like this document will be added, as you can see, and you can delete, create, edit everything like other, and on when you click here, so it get more details about it. So now we can view this one, there are more details to view. So like this we have the form based documents for the student, and then we have enrolled courses. Like there are multiple courses and one student can finish the one and then enroll in second one, or at the same time can enroll in 2-3, whatever the choice student can make. So for that purpose we have this enroll courses section, and then we can add the course to this student. So we will get the all batches, so like this batch A which we already created here. Then we have course, we can select it, and this will fetch the data or get the data of this course. So you can continue with this, or if you want to give the discount, then you can just override it. We are giving 2000 rupees discount, so it is now not 20,000, it's 18,000. so you can do that. And we have now enrolled on date as well, so you can change it if you are doing on some another day, but it is by default it is today's date. And then we have session, in which session you are getting admission, and then again remarks for more extra detail, and then we add. And after this we will see here the card, pretty nice. And here we have this payment button, view payments. What is this active? This active is the status of this course, that is this course is completed, not completed. So when we click on edit, you can see here we have this status here. So if the completed, dropped, on hold, terminated, we have various options. You can choose whatever you want. And then we have this fees section, as you can see total fees, pending fees. And then we click on add button of the payment, then we have the various details. We have the methods like UPI, then amount you can add it, and then you can add the date, more about this payment. If you want add the payment, it will get added, and the status will get updated, everything seamlessly. As you can see, it's partial payment, collected, pending, everything is working fine. Then we have view payments. As you can see nicely, you can view all the transactions or records of the payments made by the student. Now let's go back or to the students page. So now the list of all the students, and here we have this filter to add more details and find the student based on this other options. Also by the name you can also find the student. And then we downside we have this pagination as well, previous button, next button, also how much data you want. So this thing also available. We can see all the student. Also when you click on this name, we can redirect to the profile as well. And then similar to this, we have this payment section for payment specific details. As you can see, similar to the students page, we have this pagination and filter. And now when we go to the dashboard, we also see the updated data and this cute nice pie chart. As you can see every detail. Last but not least, I like to show you this profile page for the admin or for the user. As you can see the status, then verified, and then you can similar to the student add the profile. Like again we will add this, and then here we will add this one. You can add anything. For now just for a demo purpose I'm adding. So you can see you can add user profile, then they have their institute, profile, and other details. Also we have this edit profile. In future I will be adding more stuff as per your feedback. And then we have this button, collapse this sidebar, and everything is again working fine. And you can see this image is here as well of the institute, and here the profile. And when you get log out, you get log out to the home page where you can again log in. So this was my project, TigerXClasses Student Management System. Thank you.